Greetings from Rainbow International Educare. We are very proud to introduce ourselves as an organization imparting academic skill training to children of age 5 to 13 years. In a very short span of time, we are providing our Educare services to around 5,000 children studying in various schools. And all our courses has been designed and developed having one principle thought in our mind, that is, any child can enjoy education if they understand what the skill is getting applied in that particular part of their education. So we are concentrating in making them understand what is a skill, how it can be acquired, and how it can be practiced, and how it can be applied. The children enjoy skill training because they themselves understand what they are learning, they measure their progress, and they admire themselves for the progress which has been achieved. This is the principle under which the whole Rainbow International Educare team is working, and we have developed and designed two important courses for the children. One is Actima Abacus. It is an arithmetic course where we help children to learn mathematical calculations with the usage of a tool called Abacus in the initial stages. Later on, the children will not depend the abacus, but they will depend upon their own memory power and their visualization skills, and they will do any kind of calculations, any kind of arithmetic problems using their mental abacus, moving the beads mentally and getting the answers in a more fastest way and in a more accurate way. They enjoy this because every time when the sums has been called out orally without the use of any paper, pen, pencil or any aid, they are simply coming out with the right answers, and this energy and this enjoyment and this thrilling experience makes them love numbers and helps them enjoy mathematics as a subject. And to be more unique, Actima Abacus is the only course in India to bridge up the school mathematics curriculum in the name of application mathematics along with the Abacus methodology. So, a child of first standard also been trained with the number concepts, statement sums, before, after, ascending and descending. All these are their age appropriate curricular mathematics which is being given to them in the school. So, we are also bridging the same. So, they are very confident with mathematics and they love mathematics. Coming to the second program, what we are giving to the children with pride is H2Write. In today's scenario, many children having troubles in writing. They cry to write, and that is why we call our course H2Write, the course helping children to write well without tears. We don't wanted any child to cry for writing. So we have developed the course in such a way that the whole course is instilling back the lost happiness to the child while writing. So writing has been presented to them as a skill again, and we are giving a personalized care to every child taking up the course in such a way that they understand the whole thing, the writing as a skill, and they acquire it by understanding it, and they apply it by having an immense practice. Our worksheets, our books, our whole curriculum has been designed in such a way that they understand the skill, acquire it and apply it through immense practice. They are making the improvements, and this makes them enjoy because skills can easily be measured by the children themselves. Nobody needs to tell them, and this self-analyzation and realization of their own improvements helps every child under the care of Rainbow International Educare to bring back the happiness what they've lost at the time of studies. So we are very proud and very thankful to all the children who are taking the courses, the Educare services, the Actima Abacus course and the H2Write course from Rainbow International Educare. And we work with the principle like, let's love children, let's laugh with them, let's help them look at us, the trainers, let's help them listen to us, let's help them learn things in the right way. Then automatically they are going to live and lead a very successful life. So these are the 7 principles: love, laugh, listen, look, learn, live and lead. These are 7 beautiful principles we work, and we develop all our courses under these principles, and we are making it a big success among children because we are seeing the happiness in every single child's face, and every single child with Rainbow International Educare is getting transformed as a more confident child with more energy and powers. And basically a child has been safeguarded by 2 important components in the society. One is the school. The school is providing the knowledge and the system. The second component which is helping a child for a better living is their parents, who are teaching them the morals and the disciplines. And where Rainbow International Educare is fitting in is, we are fitting in as a third component, bridging up the schools and the parents. We provide them, we enhance their skills and their attitudes, and we, as our vision is empowering every child naturally and ensuring happy education to every child, we do this by providing the special unique skill oriented trainings to the children. And in a very short span of time, we have been recognized and accredited as one of the best skill training institute in Tamil Nadu. Around 5,000 children from around 25 schools are participating in our course, and we are getting appreciated from many school principals, academic coordinators, school managements, and academic directors. We are there to help out every single child with skills, and we have around 5,000 children getting supports and becoming happy in their education. And because the children are happy, the parents are also happy, and with their support, Rainbow International Educare is going to go reach children globally and help them all with good skills and good education, and help them enjoy education with the supports. We are also very proud to keep introducing many different skill oriented training courses to the children, and we have our Mem Read Pep, a course which has been specially designed to help children acquire the skills of better reading and memorizing. So this is the course which is going to help them how better I can read any content and how better I can memorize the facts, and this is going to help them a lot in scoring better marks. And in short, I can say Mem Read Pep is going to get launched by Rainbow International Educare in a short span of time, and it is the course which is going to help children score more marks without fear. And we are also our team has been extended to various places, and we have franchisees supporting the good cause, helping the children in various parts of Tamil Nadu and India, reaching out to many different children and helping every child enjoying education. So I am thankful to all the franchisees, all the teachers, educare trainers, and all the staff members of the Rainbow International Educare for their contributions and making this concept a greatest success. Very recently, we have conducted a state level talent competition, Skill Will Win 13 at YMCA Chennai on 24th February 2013. This is an event to make a mark in a child's mind that skills can be acquired and it can be improvised through immense practice. Around 600 children have taken part in the event. Very happy to see all the children with a greater level of confidence and happiness, and with a very big smile, with a very cool and comfortable mindset, they all have participated in the event. Though the parents had a second thought, they've had a fear whether the child can really solve our targets, because our target is solving 100 sums in 7 minutes and writing 160 words in 7 minutes. So they thought it is something impossible, but my children have made it possible. Children who are undergoing the courses H2 Write and Actuma Abacus participated in the fullest spirit, and they have completed the paper in just 7 minutes and got the championship awards. We are very, very thankful to all the participants, and as far as Rainbow International Educare is concerned, every participant is a winner because of the attitude what they possess, and we are very thankful for the supports rendered from the parents and the schools, managements and the principals of every school. Hi dears, thanks a lot from Kavita Miss. I'm very happy. You all have proven that your Actum Abacus skills and your H2 Write skills are too good with you. You're very happy with that because your participation is too tremendous. You all have scored well in the competition, and many of you won the championship awards and many of you won the winner awards. But Kavita Miss is very happy to see you all with such a spirit, and keep practicing more the skills what you are acquiring from Rainbow International Educare. Support your skills, support yourself, and give back the happiness to Kavita Miss forever like this. Thank you dears. Have a very, very excellent education for years to come.